Hi, I'm John Gleason, and this is UDOT's Weekly Construction Update. Drivers traveling on eastbound I-80 this weekend should plan ahead for a full closure in Salt Lake City. Starting Friday night, eastbound I-80 will be closed from about 2300 East to Foothill Drive. Now, this closure will be in place through Monday morning so workers can break up the existing concrete and pave over it with new asphalt. All traffic on eastbound I-80 will be detoured onto I-215, and we could see delays of up to 30 minutes on Saturday and Sunday. So you'll want to just avoid the area if possible, or at least give yourself some extra time. Up in northern Utah, two projects are underway right now that you'll need to watch out for. The first started earlier this week on I-15 in Davis County. Our crews are repaving from the US 89 interchange in Farmington to Layton Parkway. This work is all taking place at night, so you can expect lane restrictions each night Monday through Saturday through July. And in Brigham City, workers are repaving Highway 91 from Main Street to Mantua. Crews are also adding barriers to the median to make the road safer for drivers and adding a turnaround ramp for trucks. Lane restrictions are scheduled on weekdays, but all lanes are open by 4 p.m. each Friday. Work should wrap up in August. For more information on these and all other UDOT construction projects, please visit our website at udottraffic.utah.gov, or you can download our free UDOT Traffic app.